Hey there, this is Andrew.
Hey Andrew.
How are we doing today?
Hey, how are you? So I'm calling because I'm having some problems with the Sonatec. The emergency stop got reset, and even though I pulled it out, it's still not letting the machine start.
Okay, I think we'll be able to help you with this. We've seen it before. I'm going to start off by sharing a document that a
Okay,
PDF of the machine in terms of the instructions and what to do. So if you ever can't reach me, then you have this document to reference. It's coming over right now.
okay, great, awesome.
But I have run into this before with other techs, and we've been able to mitigate it pretty quickly. But here you see you'll have the document for future reference.
Okay, great,
All right,
awesome.
great.
Thanks. I'm gonna close this and I'll use it later.
So if we look down below the emergency stop that you had referenced when you first called, down below the machine, you're going
hmm
to see an air compressor.
Yeah, the air
We get
compressor.
down
Okay,
there. I'm going to need you to make sure you flip this switch right here backwards.
okay.
Great.
Yep. So the machine just
Yep.
kicked
And
on.
now if you pay attention to this gauge right here, you want to make
Yep.
sure that you're above, I believe it's 65 to 70 psi. As long as you're above that range, you'll be able to operate.
So it's in the process of charging up, but it looks like it's about to hit 60. Yep. So we should be good
Excellent.
now.
So now if we go back up to the Sonatec,
Okay.
great. We're going to want to make sure that initial knob's pressed in.
The emergency stop? Yeah, it's
Okay,
been
it's been
reset.
reset. Excellent. Now, if you can pay attention to the reset button right here on this LCD screen, you're going to press
hmm
that button.
Oh, so it's a touch screen. I missed that. That's probably okay. Cool.
Beautiful. And I can see here that you are at the right operating temperature. We know we want to be at 180 degrees or above.
All
Excellent.
right.
So if you look over to the right of the machine, you're going to see two valves.
Uh, um,
Yep. Right there
two
on the
valves.
middle of the machine, there's a red top, black top valve.
Oh, okay.
If you grab the red top and
Yep.
rotate it 180 degrees counterclockwise,
Okay.
excellent. Now, if you look down at the base of the machine, you're going to
hmm
see the two buttons I know you're familiar with, one here, one here. We're going to go ahead and articulate those.
Okay.
Excellent.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it looks like you have functionality. I'm glad we were able to resolve it on the call, but if you run into any other problems, feel free to reference the PDF or give me a ring and we'll help you out.
Great. Thanks
Thanks
a
so
lot,
much.
Andrew. Bye bye.